Titignan natin, matcha-challenge dito yung ating mga official referee, mga barangay, boses up, time is on, bakbakan na! Ikatlong bakbakan ng ating gabi, at yun na nga po ang ating open division between Barangay Mauyon, laban na ito dahil pareho pong galing sa masakit na pagkatalo. Inside wearing jersey number 11, ang EK na kay Antonio, outside jumper for 3, Albia, bang, 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 3 points! Ang pinaka-barangay po ng Mauyon, yung barangay na napuntahan at natambayan po natin ng almost 1 month. Mauyon lang yung pangalan pero walang kick out for De La Cruz. Pero mabilis ang pagkuha ng Bamanga Joseco. Inside number 25 basketball count. Yan na rin po yung pag-guard para sa mga tropang naglalaro for Barangay Mariugon. Inside pass, galing naman noon. Basketball count. Lumalabas natin last game ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat siyempre sa aming gwapo at mabait na driver kay Kuya Robert. Outside jumper, Apostol, bang, 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 kaibigan, passes the 2 points. Hindi nakapasa yung pihit and basketball count. Kanina pa yung mga tiradang pa. 14 Barangay Mariugon. Ibinabati natin, although na kunti lang po yung mga nanonood dito sa ating pangatlong gabi dahil nung mga nakaraan talagang from Barangay Mauyon. Inyo pa rin napapanood ang ating first quarter. Malapit pa lang tayo mga lahati. But Almar Vargas, way from downtown. Bang! 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 Sir Joel Asilo, the Vice President. Yung mga best player ng Palawan Basketball Association magkasama. Apia, Benga, 3 points! Nagpasan itong De La Cruz. Apostol, number 25, easy drive. Good for 2 points. Quarter. At maganda mang pakiramdam tumataas na team ng Barangay Mariugon upang mabalik yung magandang ofensiba. And outside the Perea Pihit, mga kaibigan de under, good for 2 points. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Austria drive. Lugod by Austria, number 73. Second serving niya, basket. Yan po yung kanilang ikatlong team fouls dito sa ating second, sa ating first quarter. Substitution on the court. Dalawang free throws para kay Rezaga, wearing jersey number 06. The first free throw, good for 1. It's off. In 7 seconds remaining. Closer jump, bang! Apostol, 3 seconds to go. Team captain para sa tropang Barangay Mariugon. Pero isang sipat, isang bato. Dalawang sa pagpito kanina, binawasan ng 2 puntos. Down by 5 points yung lamang. Stepping out and a jumper for 3 pointers. Apostol! Bang! 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 3 points! Out of balance. Sinibak for Apostol, the 3-pointer. Apostol, hindi babang. Jumper for 2 points from Bello. Austria, good for... First personal foul and first team foul for Barangay Mariugon. First free throw by Padrones, good for 1. Last in a final free throw by Padrones, good for 2 points. Mataga Barangay Mauyon going to the front court. Abia 1-on-1 against Apostol. The Filipino step and a jumper by Conde. Get that 2 points. Barangay Mariugon laban sa team na Mataga Barangay Mauyon. The first free throw by Austria, good for 1. Okay, jumper by number 3. Masyadong malakas na naman yung tira. And a fadeaway shot. Abia, basket for 8 seconds to go. But last, Apostol, the 3-pointer again. Apostol, bang, 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 3 points. And the 3 points play by Apostol was brought to us by all the constituent ng ating Barangay Mariugon. A fake and roll, basketball count. 4 na puntos na naman yung kalamangan ng Barangay Mariugon laban sa team ng mga taga-Barangay Mauyon. Babanat muli ng 3. Outside jumper, Apostol, bang, 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 3 points. Ang ating pong kabarangay dito sa ating 3rd district of Palawan. Jumper for 2, simply Banamasi, Abia. For Antonio, 1 minute and 8 seconds to go. In Abia, kick out the 3-pointer. Conde for 2 points. 2 puntos lang ako. 41 seconds to go for this second quarter. Outside jumper. Sasablay yung banat mula sa 3-point territory ni Apostol. Pero gagamitin ang katawan. Good for 2 points. Kaibigan natin naglalaro from Barangay Mauyon. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Almar Vargas, pinagpaging depensa. Pero walang kolekta. Buti na lamang to the rescue. Thank you so much. Siyempre sa ating po mga LSK ng Barangay Mariugon. The first free throw. Good and not. 0.1 second remaining. Last in the final free throw by Abia number 6 for Barangay Mauyon. Good for 2 points. Dito sa Mamanga naglalaro for Barangay Mariugon. But second serving for Barangay Mariugon. Magandang pagkakapihit. For Batang Joseco, good for Apostol, number 25. The shooter, jumper for 2 points. Putas yan. Tiradang malayo kaibigan by the big go for team ng Barangay Mariugon. And getting closer with a spin in the jumper. Conde basketball count. Then, may minsan ka lang pakainin, may lason pa. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. And a jumper, bang! Good for 2 points. Dito sa si Bido shots for 3. Inulang yung pwersa. Apostol na sa front court. The scoring machine with a left-handed lay. Good for 2 points. Mahirap to go for the third period ng ating basketball action. At pinamumunuan pa rin ng mga taga-Barangay Mariugon yung ating labanan. And Almar Vargas from the two-pointer. Mariang 2 puntos mula kay Vargas ng Barangay Mauyon. 4 minutes and 33. A fake and roll. Jumper for 2 points. Bingo! Knocks it in again. Lahat ng 2 free throws para dito kay numero 15. Austria number 15 at the line. Laban sa 36. Kaya kanina pong 9, ginawang 11. Ngayon po, 2 free for Antonio. But he passed the ball to the wrong man. Jose to number 7 on drive. Papagpagin yung batang Abia. Good for 2 points. Mariugon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Padrones, Conde, the 3-pointer. Conde, bang! 3 points. Padrones, inside pass. Isang bullet pass pero nahuli. Na-defect and stolen for team ng mga taga-Barangay Mariugon. Good for 2 points. 2 puntos sa mag-tiwan. Pagkatapos ng game, pwede kayo magpa-picture ha. Kay Dennis Trillo ng aming crew. Outside jumper. Bang! 3 points. Sa ating third period basketball action. Conde may tangan ng buko. Pinagkatiwala kay Dodong. Bang! Good for 2 points by Vargas. 6 na segundo mga kaibigan for the third period. Apeke ng jumper De La Cruz. Depenga rin ng 2 points. Wala sila para quarter Mauyon versus team Barangay Mariugon. Mga kabarangay, best of luck for both team. Bakbakan na! Alvar Vargas from downtown, 3 points. Uno, down by 2 points na lamang yung abati ng Barangay Mariugon laban sa Barangay Mauyon. Pero hindi papayag. Nakikipagbasagan din ng depensa. Connectan, hindi po natutunghayan for the final quarter. Opening, 53-49, up by 4 points. Alvar Vargas once again, same spot, same shot, same result. Bang! Time. De La Cruz going for Conde, magkapit bahay. For 2 points by Conde. Fingers, score po natin, 54 against 50. 53 against 54. Change favor na po tayo, lamang na po ng 1 point. Get that 2 points. At may ilan ng mga Austria dito for team ng Barangay Mariugon. 6 na minuto at 43, last na final free throw. Arzaga knocks it in from the free. Parang kampyonato yung bakbakan ng 2 gagaling sa pagkatalo. Bato Seco driving in. Yes sir! Napaka-smooth lang yung iwan ng mga depensa. At 2 puntos ang nadala by Joseco. It is time. Inside jumper from Antonio. Lakay move. Good for 2. 5 minutes and 57 seconds to go for the fourth and final quarter. The first free throw good for 1 by wearing jersey number 27. 59-56, up by only 3 points sa ating kwentuhan. Napakaganda. Pangalawang free throw, good for 2 points mula dito kay wearing jersey number 27. The second free throw basketball count once again by Bas Kungada. Last in the final free throw. Let's take a look kung makukumpleto yung kanyang 3-point shots from the free throw line. Bas Kungada, 3-point goal. At muling tutulak yung bola going to the front court of Barangay Mauyon. A shake, a couple of shake, at ngayon is spin. Saan ka punta? To the moon. 10:54 seconds to go para sa ating 14 na final quarter of action. Pasado play sa pang-poster na biyahe. At ito naman si Abia may tangan ng bola. A left-handed pass going for Vargas. Good for 2 points. Lahat ng mga galaw. Barangay o lamang na po ng 1 point ng Barangay Mauyon. Almar Vargas na naman. The man of the moment for 21. Up by 3 points Barangay Mauyon with 3 minutes and 45. Shot clock down to 8. At ngayon Austria taking the ball in inside pass number 6 Arzaga knocks it in. Pero pinakamalupit na naglalaro 14 ng Barangay Mauyon hindi bumasket. Apostol the PJ bang! 3 points. 2 minutes and 17 seconds to go for the final quarter. He's a Kobe. Situation ng Barangay po ng Mauyon at nasa warning for penalty naman po itong nasa team na Barangay Mariugon. The first free throw, good for 1 by Vargas. Kukumpleto yung kanyang 2 free throws. Last in the final free throw, good for 2 points by Vargas. 1 minute and 30. Final quarter. Inside, they're now all at 68 points. 68 only sa ating napakatibay at napakagandang pagtawag with 1 minute and 4 seconds to go. Jumper na ipit, may reload. Bang! 1 minute Barangay Mariogon laban sa team ng Barangay Mauyon. Last na para free throw. Yes sir. Good for one. 23. Iba't bola sa flight. Nasa area yung bola. Dalawang mainit sa natira sa ating mainit na linya. First free throw by Joseco. Good for one.